Hey, g'day guys, it's James Fawcett here coming in with a review of Unfair Advantage plus my exclusive bonuses that I'm going to quickly go through right now. As you can see, I'm just in the members area right here. Just a quick review, guys. This is a great way, a great product where you'll be able to actually use Amazon to your advantage. And what you can actually do is that you'll be able to cookie any customer with any in Amazon, and then for the next 24 hours, if they buy anything on Amazon, like anything, they'll be cookied to you and you get the commission for the next 24 hours. So it's very unique. It's never been done before. It's a pretty cool thing. So I'm just going to quickly run over to my bonuses. Please subscribe to my channel, and also, or if you're in the bonus area, you'll be watching this video. You'll be able to click this link here to go to the sales page, and you'll be able to quickly click this button here to get instant access to my bonuses. So my bonuses are right now is that I've really gone out on this one. Now traffic's a big thing on this one, so I'm going to give you Infusion and how to do high ticket sales as well. And I'm also going to let you tap into unlimited traffic, so you'll be able to get actual buyer traffic to your offer. So people with a good amount of purchase behavior, you'll be able to get access to that. I'm going to also give you access to Phoenix plus all upgrades. Now this is a complete suite, guys, so people paid over $800 to get this entire suite, and I'm giving it to you if you pick up Unfair Advantage today for the price of $17. Now you get the Phoenix membership, Profit Automators, you get the Done For You package, Profit Box, previous version to be able to get unlimited traffic off Phoenix, and you also get license rights as well, and 100% of the commissions on that product. You also get the full thing of the Breakout code plus all upgrades. You'll be able to get into that, guys, definitely. We're also giving you the bonus tutorial of hot selling e-com items, so you can jump onto Amazon, find the best selling ones and get started straight away. Fuego Multiplier is another great way to get buyer traffic and multiply your profits. Fantastic way. Now, best thing about affiliate marketing is building a buyers list, because buyers list is people that actually made purchase. They exhibit purchase behavior, and I want to give you the bonus tutorial to how to build your own buyers list without owning a product, guys. So definitely an awesome way to get going on that. I'm also going to give you access to a product called Profit Factory. You can boost your profits using this unique method, and newbie friendly and easy to implement, and I believe it is also a software, so you'll be able to tap into that as well. Now the vendor has provided a ton of bonuses that you'll be able to use. I'm giving them to you at no additional cost. So these are the bonuses here. Storm, you'll be able to jump in and use Storm Online, which is like a traffic generator. Arbitrage High Roller is another good one as well. Lazy Profit Engine, it's a good little way to build your profits as well, and make $4.97 over and over. You'll be able to get started with that. Video Magic Formula, where you'll be able to build your videos and generate commissions. Page rank ranking formula. So you guys, this is really laying it out on the table here. A ton of bonuses just for picking up Unfair Advantage via my link. So these bonuses are limited for the next up until tomorrow, 11:59 Pacific time, because I do want to make sure everyone in the time zones get access to this. This is for you guys. I really want to give you the best bet, the biggest start, and I want to provide the biggest amount of volume as well. So yeah, guys, so definitely, and also there's a bit of a hint too. There is a $5 discount if you can find it on the sales page. I'll give you a bit of a hint of that, and you still get it. So definitely worthwhile jumping in there, having a crack at it, guys. It's an amazing loophole to really start generating it. You get access to a lot of stuff here. You'll get the Unfair Advantage full system. You'll be able to they give you a software, the complete method overview. So if you even get templates to use, guys. So if you jump in, you can download all the templates. Access to the upgrades if you didn't probably, if you want to purchase this again, they make that available for you. Bonus area, so additional bonuses as well. So you get all these as well, guys. So bonus area, so obviously profit booster, video profit X. So you get more and more bonuses with these guys. The value they provide is pretty surreal, just for a small $17 investment. So guys, definitely jump on. Just going to recap the bonuses I'm giving away. I'm giving away Infusion, front end, and also the unlimited traffic, which is worth $197. Going to give Phoenix and all upgrades. The real time value is nearly 14 grand. I'm giving you this for free. Breakout code, all upgrades, cash on demand, done for you package, little black book. Pretty much this is a product that I'm showing you how I generated. This is how I've generated nearly $250,000 in the last probably now 8 months. So this is what I am providing you today. Also additional bonuses, and even on top of that, guys, I've got more bonuses in the bonus packages that are unannounced. So if you decide to jump on there, you've got a nice friendly surprise in there as well, guys. So I look forward to you guys jumping on an Unfair Advantage. Just click here via the link, jump over to the sales page, which is here, and scroll down, go to click instant access now, go to the checkout, and your bonuses will be delivered after you make your purchase of Unfair Advantage for just $17, guys. Enjoy, take care, and I look forward to you guys jumping on and having a real good crack at this commission system that really does work. Cheers.